into an unboxing with me. So today I have packages from Amazon. I think this big one is Shein. Yeah, so let's get into it. So I don't remember what I ordered, but let us find out together. Oh, this is the car phone holder that will be mounted in the vehicle. So I'll do a video on that and how to set it up and everything. So in it has, I'll do a detailed video on, I'm gonna unbox it properly. Okay, so that's one down. So this one, I think this is my supplement. I just love unboxing. So therapeutic. Okay, so this is COQ10. It has a lot of good benefits: antioxidant, helps heart function, and many others. Very good for the females. So you can look into it. It's my first time purchasing this supplement, but I would definitely let you know how it makes me feel going forward. So it's one capsules daily with a meal, and it's 80 in it, so it will last me for some time. This what is stuff is this? Oh my god, I don't even remember what I purchased. That is so bad. That is not good. What is this? What is this? What is greetings? What is it? Oh, really? I bought a hair oil mix. Basically herbs, plants, herbal plants. Mix up. Come on, I don't have my tools. Alright, so, oh my god. Okay, so I'll do a video on this as well when I'm about to do it. Currently, I bought something recently, Batana oil. I'll leave a picture somewhere on the screen. I'm using that. So in this, it has rosemary, lavender, chamomile, fenugreek, rose, thyme, marigold, amla, horsetail, burdock, moringa, ginger, comfrey, ginkgo, hibiscus, nettle, peppermint, and neem. So I guess this package can make you a 30-ounce mix in total. So I will definitely do it when I'm about to do it. I will definitely record. And then the big one, which is Shein. Alright, one thing they can do with Shein, they can cook. Wish they could have teach me how to cook. I can definitely pop. I'm not even listening. Nothing's. What is this? Give that to my overseas people as well. Ooh, I can't. Oh my god. I've been waiting for my gym set. I have gym clothes in the but I want some long sleeve ones, so I bought a few. The material seems nice. Hope it's not too thin. But I will definitely do photos in it and let you guys see. So this should be a long sleeve because I want to do my morning walk. So yes, it is. Can you believe that the camera just stopped? So where was I? So I'm so sorry. So this is the first one. I think this was captured, right? And dress is there. And then this is the top. I was saying it's quite cute. Love the color. I can't wait to try it on for my morning walks. Oh boy, technical difficulties. So I was creating excitement for this one, and this is so cute. The color is so nice. The crop top. I like the pattern and everything. Trust me, I can't wait to try these on. That will be a separate video. And this is the bottom. So I hope this is high waist because I have some little up ankles and bare things, so not so cute. So I was saying that I bought this night dress. It's quite short and nice and cute and dainty. I have several types, so I don't have much night dresses. I have pajama, I have shorts, and those stuff, and you know what this say about, you know, dresses and access and yeah, be yourself. Yes. So I have to go still talk fast because this is something I gave me 10 minutes. I don't know what's happening, but I really want to unbox these, so I'll just back and forth. So now my work bag embarrassed me. I let them gear bag. And then embarrassing. So I'm just back with. I put on my shoes. Come here and put it like that. My shoes black. How does that come? It smells bad too. So I'll be using this. Unfortunately, I requested black. I don't know what's happening right here. But the same thing, you know, the China things, and man, probably the ship on the sea and all kind of things. But have a zipper which I like. It's big like the one I have. So it's like a cheapest bag, this, you see? Right. So but I use this until they replace the work bag. So at least this can carry me until then. So rest is over here, son. We are so. Yes, so stay right there, so. And then let us put this down right here, so. Right? What else in that here, so? What is this? Well, I think I got fridge and stuff. I'm going to rinse this out tomorrow. This a look thin though. Have you seen something by? It's too cushy. There it is. Color is I don't even know what color is this, plum, but I don't have any color like this, so I decided to get one. And all of these are long sleeve because in the morning it's a bit chilly, so the ones I have before are short sleeve or no, sleeveless, really sleeveless we have. So this is for the rinse. So the center box me man, she's starting. So this is what now. Oh, this is a oh my god, I can't wait to put this on. This is a robe. It's cute though. Cute never cute. Since like girl, I go wash up them tomorrow. Girl, I go put on her robe. Because when I'm getting ready in the morning for work, I can have on my robe and with the tea. Right? Yeah. And tea. So the girl, I think it's her bonnet, the short of the bonnet, so pretty short. And if I call you, I'm see there. And if I call you, I'm see. Why? Anyways, most of the brands is on me axe brown. But this is a satin bonnet. So I have to protect the hair because I'm a natural hair girl. What is this? Oh, to mash the garlic. Crush the garlic, yeah, okay, food and tea. And this is the last thing. Sorry I'm rushing guys, but you know what they are chat. And then by the time I could get up back like the last time, the something stop on me right now. So this is a next night dress. They sent them a lick on the eye box. So I like this color. It's giving Barbie. It's saying baby, but it's giving a Barbie vibes. So I'm going to rinse these out. Tomorrow I got idle try and close. And then I rinse out the side down. This is already on to straight skeptic and Jamaican girl. And picking up some way of way, them got so insult. And because of my background, paranoid, germaphobe, so trimming up on my skin either. But anyways, thank you guys. I'll do the try on haul. Can you imagine this?